Now we have a definition, which is something very fundamental in maths. Definitions are the very sort of foundational rules of how these things work. So we define, first of all, let's draw a triangle, okay? So this is a right angle triangle. This angle here is 90 degrees. Now we again call this angle alpha. But the difference is here, alpha is 1 degree. Here I'm making a drawing of any triangle. So alpha can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 20, it can be 30, 60, whatever number you like. So I'm making a generalized drawing of a triangle. Okay, now we define the names of the three sides. So the longest side, which is always opposite of the 90 degrees, is called hypotenuse. I will write the letter H. Okay? Then the side opposite of alpha is going to be called the opposite, which makes sense. It's opposite, as I said. So this is going to be O. And finally, the side beside the angle is going to be called adjacent, which makes sense because adjacent means you are beside something. So it's beside the angle. So adjacent. And we write the letter A for adjacent. So we've defined the three sides, which are relative to the angle. And now we can define these three functions, okay? So sine is going to be the ratio of O to H, okay? So we take this side and we divide it by the longer side, which is H. So O over H. Cosine is going to be A over H, so we take the adjacent side and we divide it by H. A over H. And finally, tan is going to be O over A, so we take the opposite side and divide it by the adjacent side, and we get this ratio, O over A. Okay, so